how to watch Spotify Wrapped again on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to watch Spotify Wrapped again on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to settings and then scroll all the way down until you find here apps. Now click apps again. This one is for Android users. Type here Android, type here Spotify, click on it. Now click for stop and go to storage, clear cache, and clear cache, and then clear data. Click OK. You will need to log in again after that, but that will help you to fix your problem. And if that doesn't fix it, then just open your Spotify and wait for it like 10 minutes like that, and just wait for it. And then after 10 minutes close it and open it again, and you will find that Spotify Wrapped here. And that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.